Imagine walking from South America all the way up to North America. And just think about the amount of time it would take you to do that. Now imagine doing that in 1 month. That's what a lot of migratory birds do in one season. So migratory birds are so important because they make up a large portion of our ecosystem. Not only here in North America, but also South America. I feel like I can talk about this because I'm a lifelong outdoorsman and an avid conservationist. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about these birds and some of the conservation projects going on to help protect the habitats that we have here in Alabama. So first, the birds. So these species are extremely broad. You can have all different kinds of birds. There's actually, according to Outdoor Alabama, there are over 250 different species of birds migrating through Alabama. Either through Alabama or coming to migrate to Alabama. Due to our geographical location, we are a hot spot for all these different kinds of birds. Like I said, they're very diverse. You can have geese all the way to shorebirds migrating through Alabama. According to AL.com, the Gulf migration is a passageway for about 2.1 billion birds. Now, granted, that is the entire Gulf of Mexico, but Alabama alone has been known to have over 1,500 birds per square kilometer. All right, so now that we know a little bit about these birds, let's talk about some of the conservation projects going on in Alabama to help conserve the habitats that we have here. So first off, we have the Gulf Coastal Project. And this is put on by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife. And according to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife, this project focuses on the watersheds in Alabama. All the waterways feeding into the Gulf and all that. Its main goal is to improve on pollution and the resilience of these waterways. There are millions of acres in this one project alone. And this project spans over most Gulf states. Another great project, or another great program, would be Dolphin Island. So Dolphin Island is an island. It's a barrier island off the coast of Alabama. And according to AL.com, in recent years, Dolphin Island, the private lands there have been bought out and become public lands. And this land acquisition actually helps conserve the habitat for these coastal birds. These islands are the barrier islands, and they run all the way down the coast. So these birds migrating will hop from island to island, and that's why this is so important. So today I've told you about migratory birds and about the conservation projects going on to help conserve the habitats that these birds have. I've told you about the vast number and the conservation projects. And now that you know about the migratory birds, I hope that you can see the value in the conservation and why it must be done.